What's the meaning of all? All. All.
All. All. An awl is a pointed tool used for piercing or making small holes in materials such as leather, wood, or fabric. Awls come in various shapes and sizes, and they can be made from different materials such as metal, bone, or plastic. Awls are often used in craft projects, for sewing and leatherwork, and in carpentry and woodworking. They are also useful for marking and starting holes for screws or nails. Overall, an awl is a versatile tool that can aid in precision work across a range of different fields.